This video is going to be about this backsplash that I'm going to be setting, and I'm going to tell you exactly step by step how I did it, and hope that you learned something on this video. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos. Also, comment down below what you would like to see more content of. So we started by removing the old tile all the way down to the 2x4s, and we replaced the drywall. In this case, we only use sheetrock because it's not a wet area. The tile is a marble that comes in a lantern shape or Arabasque shape, and we had to use a wet saw because like I said, it's a natural stone, so for the cleanest, smoothest cut you have to use a wet saw. We pre-assembled it on the island and took all the measurements for plugs, height, width, and everything, and did all the cuts previous to installation. Once we had all the cuts, we started installing it on the wall using a 1/4x1/4 trowel and white thin set just in case it came through the joints. When you have your substrate prepared the right way and all the cuts done correctly, the installation shouldn't actually take that long because that's the easiest part. So this is what the backsplash looks like. We only need to seal it and then grout it, and we are completely done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.